No words can explain just how much you mean to me. You mean to me, baby. No way you can find this love with another man, baby. It might be the words your heart is saying, maybe it's the music playing, saying. It might be the way the light is fading. Really love your vibe, then change it, then change it. But I was gonna wait, but
Hi guys!
We're back! I mean, I'm back.
Yes, she is back.
Hey!
So we decided to come to try something new today.
Lovely.
We're trying I don't know why I keep saying Vietnamese.
It's Filipino.
I don't
guys.
know why. Yeah, so we're trying Filipino food for the first time. Shout out to Van for hooking me up with this place.
Yes.
It's called Tammy's Cafe.
Yes.
Thank
you so much.
Oh my god, look what we
drinks.
have. What is this called again? Calamansi juice, thank you.
There you go.
So this is called calamansi juice. That's what we're starting with.
How does it taste? Her face.
Refreshing, guys.
Yeah.
It tastes like lime mixed with lemon.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
And it has like a sweet tint to it. It's really good. I like it.
Yeah, we're loving this place so far. What did we order? Okay, you guys are gonna see it when the food comes. I'm so excited. I'm the kind of person that I don't try new stuff, especially with food. It's so hard for me to try new food. Are you like that?
I am, but today we're ready to risk it all. We're even trying mussels. I've never had mussels.
I've never had it
in my
either.
life. Mainly because,
We're stepping out of our comfort zone a little bit.
Just
a little bit. I hope you. What?
No, go ahead.
I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we're gonna keep making more videos.
Yes.
So these are the 6 spring rolls.
Appetizers.
Appetizer number 1. Ooh.
Yes.
Look what we got up here. Ooh la la. So this is the mussels, right?
Yeah.
So this is the mussels we're gonna try for the first time. And what is this? Okay, we're gonna wait for her to tell us what this is.
Y'all need some help?
We do.
Alright,
Okay, so what is this one?
This is a fried milkfish. And then we have barbecue pork skewers. We have the spring rolls that you just had. Some mussels in garlic sauce. And then we have some grilled plantains. Not plantains, eggplant.
Eggplant.
Tomatoes, mango salad with some lettuce. And
Oh,
then we
mango
have some
salad.
orange slices and garlic rice under everything.
Oh my
All
gosh.
these sauces are all homemade as well. We've got
Okay.
some
So did you make them?
Not me personally,
Oh.
but I helped set it up. But
Okay.
we got some vinegar, we have some soy sauce, and some spring roll sauce.
Okay.
Yummy.
That looks so good.
Thank you.
You got it all.
Go ahead.
Together. So to say bon appetit in Tagalog, you say masarap, or it's delicious, you say masarap.
Masarap?
Masarap. And then to cheers, you say mabuhay.
Oh, nagore. Thank you. So we learned something.
Ready. I want to try the mussels first. Like, I've never had this in my life. So.
Same here. I'm actually scared to try.
Masahag.
Masarap. How do you eat it?
You just supposed to like.
How? You took it out?
This is solid. I want the rice though. I want the garlic rice.
I feel like I was closing my eyes to eat this. Why? Oh, I actually didn't know there was rice in this.
Yeah.
after
trying my
this,
best to eat this.
like after this, I'm gonna try every restaurant.
Every restaurant, sis.
Huh?
Every restaurant.
Not every one. Oh my god. I feel like I'm being so extra now. You guys might think I'm being extra, but trust me, this food is good. Ah.
Cause all I know is right now we're free tonight. It's me and you, feel like a
And the
dream.
staff are so friendly.
Yeah, this is so funny. What is this?
She said it was it's a fish.
Oh, it's a fish. Look at that. Cool. I mean, we sanitize it.
I know, but still.
We're eating
This garlic rice. Giving me vibes. Doing what? Oh, you said
Oh yeah,
it
it's
was
garlic
Thailand?
rice. We didn't tell them.
Yeah.
Did we? We're eating garlic rice. First time everything. Except the,
It's not first time everything.
what else? I was just gonna say the spring rolls.
Yeah, and the pork thingy.
But the
pork
spring rolls,
skewer.
it's, what's inside the spring roll?
It feels like well, it's not tuna, but
Because it's honestly really different from spring rolls I've tried before. That's why I
Yeah.
said that. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of the rice.
I like it though.
No,
It's not like the garlic taste is not strong. It's like very subtle. Like you can taste that there's garlic in this rice, but it's not like really, really like garlicky. You know, if that makes sense. I just wish there was like
I just wanna eat everything.
something that came with it.
Is this one or two?
One, you wanna share?
Yeah, of course.
You're meant to me, baby. No way you can find this love with another man, baby. It might be the words your heart is saying, maybe it's the music playing. Saying.
So we are going to try the mango
It might be the way the light is fading. Really love your vibe and change it. And change it. But I was gonna wait, but I was like, when the night is young. Cause I can see everybody else.
We are done, guys. We saw the food. We demolished it.
Finished it.
Finished it. C'est fini. We can't move anymore. I am gonna be rating this restaurant. I'm gonna rate this restaurant 10 out of 10.
There you go.
First of all,
there you go.
customer service A1. Food A10. I'm so extra. But
Just
this
sticking with my
food,
signs.
but this food was everything I signed up for.
There you go.
Literally everything I signed up for. It was what the money was, what the
Yes, guys. Come support
Yeah.
local businesses in Ottawa.
Oh yes, actually, yeah, it's a local business where we're all for supporting.
Yes.
Guys, I'm so tired. I don't know how you guys do it. I just have no idea. You know when you've eaten too much and you can't move anymore? That's how we feel. We're go ahead.
We're out, y'all.
We're out.
Crazy, you wasted your life. She's taking